This week I've got my friend's camper van in, and we're going to give it a good clean. He's had to use it for work while his other van's off the road, so obviously he's a painter and decorator and it's got a little bit on the dirty side. So we're going to give it a clean up, and I'm just waiting for the steamer to warm up and we'll start fumigating the inside, get all the leather seats and that clean, try and restore this floor to somewhere near what it should look like, and then I'll start on the front end. Managed to get myself a bit of a cold. It's not the coronavirus, I'm sure, but when you're cleaning out dirty vehicles you can always catch something. So I'll be protecting myself more today using a face mask and whatnot. Obviously Formula can't work, so we'll just have to take some more precautions than I normally would. You know, I'm not the best at health and safety when it comes to myself, so anyway, once I get going, I'll see if I can film some of it. I've kept it inside for the moment with the door shut, trying to keep myself, I can't say warm because this place is that tall that you can't warm this place up, but you know, at least it stops other people wandering around and catching me cold. You've got to be sensible in this day and age, I suppose. But with all the scaremongering and everything, everybody thinks you've got the coronavirus when you have a sniffle. I think I'll know if I can't work, then it's something serious. So anyway, we're just waiting for the steamer, like I said, and then we'll get on and start cleaning the inside before I take it out and do the outside. The car's going to be camo wrapped. It looks like it's already been camo wrapped, but using bird poo instead of vinyl. So we'll give it a good clean, and then it'll be wrapped. So here we go. I'll see you in a bit. The moral of the story is don't put wheels that have got tyre black on vinyl tiles. Struggling to get it out, but you can even see the letters off the tyres. See what we can do. Rest is starting to come up nice. Well, I've been trying to get this tyre stain out of this floor. I've now tried everything I can think of, including rubbing alcohol, a machine polisher with some compound, magic sponge, G101, TARDIS, wheel cleaner, and a few other things that I've put away, and I still can't get rid of it. And that's using steam and getting it red hot. It just don't want to come out. So I'm going to finish cleaning the rest of it and then perhaps go back to it if I've got time. So I'll see you shortly. Right, I've took the overmats out and the centre console box with the speakers in, and I'm just going to start cleaning all this. I've just done the windscreen and the dashboard to get the dust down on the floor before I vacuum it. So we're going to start and try and make this look fresh now. See you in a bit. Right, I've given it a vac out, and as you can see, the sides of these rubber mats that get a lot of wear are still going to be dirty. So I've mixed quite a strong mix of an all-purpose cleaner with warm water and a nail brush, very special one because it's a snap-on one, so it does it twice as much and costs twice as much as well. So we're going to clean all the brake pedals, all the rubber, and then obviously I'll be using steam to try and clean it to get, you know, into the deep crevices of the dirt. So I'm going to start giving it an agitation, and we'll see how it comes out. So I'll see you in a bit. It's had its first of many coats of snow foam. I'm going to try and break down all this bird poo and break it down as gently as possible before we start washing it. The interior is nearly finished. I'm just waiting for the floor mat to dry, and we're going to get it clean now. As you can see, the carousel's doing its job. It's been a long time since these wheels have been cleaned properly. Well, finished cleaning. Apart from the stain I can't remove, it's all looking lovely and fresh. The paintwork's still oxidised because it hasn't been in for a polish, but it's been cleaned. Everything's looking nice and fresh. The inside of the compartments, it's all looking a lot better. So I suppose the next time we see it, it'll probably be covered in a camo wrap, but it certainly looks a bit better than it did when it arrived. Would have been nice to polish it, but I don't really understand why you'd rather have it camo wrapped than have it repolished, but that's up to him. He owns it, and it's his car, his decision. But it certainly looks a lot better. There we have it, another one completed. And wait and see what we have next, I suppose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.